What is your name?
I am Dora.
How are you today, Dora?
I'm happy.
Can you show me your smile?
Yes.
Thank you. So Dora, I have two books, my body and my face. Which one do you want to read?
My body.
Okay, let's start with my body.
My body. This is my foot. This is my leg. This is my belly. This is my chest. This is my head. This is my arm. This is my head. This is my body.
So Dora, can you point to your arm? Point to your arm. Good. Point to your foot. Good job. Point to your belly. Good. Point to your head. Good. And now, Dora, how many arms do you have?
I have 2 arms.
How many hands do you have?
I have 1 hand.
One head. How many legs do you have?
I have 2 legs.
How many fingers do you have?
I have
Fingers.
many fingers.
Yes, you have many fingers, but how many? Can you count and tell me? How many fingers do you have?
10 fingers.
Yes, I have
10
fingers.
fingers.
And Dora, what do you use to jump? I
I
use
use
my
my legs
to
to
jump.
jump.
What do you use to clap? To clap. What do you use to clap?
Use
My.
my
What do you use? Your hands to
leg.
clap. So what do you use to clap? I use my
My
hands to.
to clap.
What do you use to see?
I
Use
use
my
my eyes
to
to see.
see. What do you use to hear?
I
Use
use
my
my ears
to.
to hear.
Thank you, Dora. Okay, Dora, now I have many books. Colors goes to school. What I like, getting dressed. He runs. The rainstorm. Vegetables and bird goes home. Which one? This one?
Yes.
Okay. Can you read it, please? Okay. Yes. We have.
Bird goes home. The bird goes over the tree. The bird goes over the farm. The bird goes over the city. The bird goes over the street. The bird goes over the tables. The bird goes over the cars. The bird goes over the mountains. The bird goes home.
So, Dora, tell me, where does the bird go over? Where?
The bird goes over the city.
And where does the bird go over?
The bird goes over the farm.
Oh, what animals can you see on the farm?
Cow.
I
Can see
cows. And
I can see cow. I can see cat.
cats. And
I can see dog.
dogs, right? And that's all?
I can see sheep.
Oh, sheep.
Sheep.
And tell me, what here? What does the bird go over?
The bird goes over the cars.
What color is this car?
Yellow.
This car
Car is yellow.
What color is this car?
This car is red.
Red. And I tell you, where does the bird go over?
The bird goes over the mountains.
And the last one, where does the bird
goes
Oh, what do you see here?
bird.
Birds. Are they the big birds or little birds?
Little birds.
Little birds. How many little birds are they?
2 birds.
Yeah, they are
Two
two
birds.
little birds. And what color are they?
Yeah.
Yes, they
They
are
are
yellow.
the yellow birds.
Well done, they are yellow birds. And can you choose one more book? Choose one more. We have try getting dressed for kind of like Colossus goes to school. Goes to school. Okay, so let's start. Let's go.
I get my backpack.
Backpack.
I get my ruler. I get my sister. I get my crayons. I get my eraser. I get my pencils. I get my sweater. I get my lunch. I get my hook.
So, can you please tell me what are they?
Crayons.
Do you have crayons? Dora, do you have crayons? Yes or no?
Yes,
Yes, I
I
do.
do.
Tell me, what is this?
Backpack.
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 Do you have a backpack? Do you have a backpack?
Yes.
Okay. What do you have in your backpack? I have.
Have
Do you have books in your backpack?
yes.
That's it. I have books. Books
And backpack.
only books in your backpacks. Anything else?
Book and
Pen,
pen
pens,
and ruler.
and rulers,
Eraser.
eraser,
Crayons.
crayons. Thank you. Okay, so now I will choose a book for you. What I like. Can you read it for me, please?
What I like. I like flowers. I like trees. I like birds. I like bees. I like to swing. I like to slide. I like to dig. I like to play outside.
So, Dora, what animals do you like?
I like
Animals. What?
dog.
Okay, let's say
I
like
like
dogs. And what vegetables do you like?
I like carrots
Carrots. And
and lettuce.
yeah, carrots and lettuce. And what do you like to do?
I like to play.
You like to play? So what games do you like to play or do you want to play badminton?
Yes.
Okay. And the last one is the rainstorm. Can you read it for me, please?
The rainstorm.
you can sing A, B, C, okay?
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z.
Now
I
I
know why ABCs. Can we sing
those once more, please. Okay, so now tell me what letter it is.
letter O?
Yes, this
This is letter O.
what sound does it make?
O.
Oh, and can you name some words that begin with letter O?
Octopus.
Octopus. And what color that begins with letter O? Color.
Rose.
Or
Orange.
yes, O for octopus, O for orange. And what number? What number begins with letter O? Number?
1.
Yes, number 1. And what letter it is?
So, N.
And what sound does it make?
M.
M. And can you name some words that begin